Every milestone brings Spotify Camp Nou one step closer to its new identity. As construction pushes forward across the stadium, the transformation is becoming impossible to ignore. Today, we're going inside to uncover the latest progress and the key developments that are shaping the future of this iconic venue. Stepping inside Spotify Camp Nou offers a completely different perspective, with the first-tier seating providing an outstanding view of the stadium's ongoing transformation. From here, the scale of the third tier and the rapidly advancing VIP ring becomes even more impressive. One of the biggest highlights is the complete pitch reconstruction. Heavy machinery is removing the existing surface while separating the grass from the soil, showing that the pitch is undergoing a full renovation rather than a simple turf replacement. Around the Tribune, crews continue preparing the seating areas while the VIP seats remain fully protected. Although there have been rumors of seat installation, no permanent seats are visible yet. However, newly painted yellow stairways have now appeared, marking another step forward. The VIP ring is also nearing completion, with most of the curtain wall glazing and aluminum framing already installed. Meanwhile, work continues around the third tier, where scaffolding, relocated temporary floodlights, and completed stair structures reflect the steady progress being made across the stadium. Work continues steadily across the south stand, where crews are installing new superstructure supports beside the mobility cores. Sandwich panel installation is also progressing, while preparations for the ceramic facade continue as the stadium moves closer to completing the first colorful overhang. Around the mobility cores, workers are carrying out final inspections before the next phase of facade installation begins. At the same time, the removal of the protective coverings has revealed more of the diamond structure, where concrete block walls and curtain wall construction continue to reshape the interior. Construction continues to advance across the lateral section, where one of the diamond structures has already entered the next stage. Steel beams are being installed, and once the upper structure is complete, crews will remove the temporary supports and scaffolding before beginning the interior works. Nearby, workers are also inspecting the LED lighting system and its wiring after the protective covers were removed from the ceramic lamellas. At the same time, elevated platforms remain active beneath the second overhang of the VIP ring, where work continues around the black sandwich panels and surrounding structure. Back at the north stand, ceramic lamella installation remains in full progress. Crews continue working on the interior ceiling while adding more ceramic panels. Although today's pace is slightly slower after one, lamella had to be removed and reinstalled following a minor issue. Even so, installation continues steadily, with the protective coverings also being removed to reveal the finished facade. The nearby mobility cores are also moving forward, where workers are applying finishing coats ahead of sandwich panel installation. While this section still has more work remaining than the others, steady progress is being made, and the false ceiling installation is expected to be completed before attention shifts to the front facade. At the Tribune, crews have begun fine-tuning the ceramic lamella anchors. Several fixing points are being carefully checked and adjusted to ensure perfect alignment before the facade installation continues, highlighting the precision required during this stage of construction. From the viewpoint, the VIP entrance now looks much more refined as the new permanent railings replace the old temporary barriers. Finishing work on the entrance steps is also continuing, bringing this section closer to its final appearance. Behind the Tribune, crews remain focused on the compression ring area, where ventilation systems and other service installations are progressing. At the same time, the latest facade plans confirm that ceramic lamellas will also cover the spaces between the staircases, while formwork assembly continues in preparation for the next stage of column construction. Construction is also advancing at the future Barça Store, where crews have begun installing the aluminum door frames for the main glass entrances. At the same time, work continues inside the diamond structure, while activity can also be heard around the future ticket office, confirming that interior construction is progressing steadily across both areas. The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is far from over, and the biggest milestones are still ahead. We'll be back with the next major construction update as soon as more progress unfolds. Until then, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next update.